how to log into your OKX account step by step. Here, the very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your OKX application and install it on your phone. Then you'll actually be able to get this first page that you'll be able to see right here, right? So once you do that, you can simply tap on the option sign up or log in right here, and then you'll need to select your region. So once you select your country or region, you'll actually need to go along with the process if you do not have your account. But you already have an account, then you can tap on the option log in on the very bottom of your screen right here. And once you do that, all you need to do is add in your phone number right here and then tap on next. You can even use your email address. If you simply tap on that email right here, you can use your email address or your sub account, and when you tap on next, you'll actually be able to get a link on your email. Simply open that link and you'll successfully be able to log into your account. But here, if you do have your passkey, then you can tap on it, or you can continue with any of those platforms like your Google ID, Apple ID, or your Telegram ID in order to log into your account. And that's all you need to do. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.